Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix audio crackling issue on your Windows 11 computer. The first step is to run audio troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings. Now click on system and then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see playing audio options, so click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then check the audio. Now the next step is to update audio driver from device manager. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager. Now expand sound, video, and game controllers, and then make a right click on audio adapter. In my case, it's Realtek. It may be some other name. So select your audio device, make a right click, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. And once installed, now you can check the audio. Still you are facing the problem, then again make a right click on audio device, then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers, and this time click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click over here and this will open Windows Update. If there is any update, it will install it, then restart your computer and then check the audio. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, make a right click and this time click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then now over here, if Realtek audio is selected over here, then select high definition audio device and then click on next to install the driver and then restart your computer and then check the audio. In case high definition audio device is selected over here, in that case select Realtek high definition audio and then click on next, install it, restart your computer and then check the audio. Now the next step is to change power plan settings. For this, type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now by default your control panel will look like this. So click on category, click on the drop down option and select large icons and then click on power options, and over here select high performance. In my case it's not there, so in your case if you see high performance over here, select high performance and then restart your computer and then check the audio. You can also select balance settings and check, and for few users you might see power savings settings. So first of all, try high performance. If that does not work, you can try balance and power saving settings and check which one is working fine for you. Now the next step is to update Windows. So make sure that your Windows is up to date. So go to the start menu, click on the settings and then go to Windows Update, then click on check for update. Once the update is installed, restart your computer and then check your audio. Now the next step is to uninstall audio device and restart your computer. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. Now expand sound, video and game controllers. Over here you will find your audio device. Make a right click, then click on uninstall device. Now after the uninstall, click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer. Simply restart your computer, and when you restart your computer, during the system restart, Windows will install the default audio device, default audio driver, and then you can go ahead and check the sound. Now the next step is to update audio driver from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So just make sure that you go to your system manufacturer website. This is just an example I'm showing for Dell. So select your model number on your system manufacturer website, then go to drivers and download page. Select audio, find your audio driver, then click on download. And once the download is complete, run the exe file and then install the audio driver. Now once this is installed, make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart, check the audio. Now still you're facing the crackling issue. In that case, uninstall SmartByte. So if you have this application installed on your computer, uninstall it. So you can open control panel and then click on uninstall a program, and then if you find SmartByte in the list, select SmartByte and then click on uninstall. In my case it's not there, so if you have SmartByte application installed, uninstall it, restart your computer and then check the audio. So, and if you suspect that any particular application is causing the problem, you can uninstall that particular application and check. Now, the next step is to update system BIOS. Again, go to your system manufacturer website. So, uh, if you have Lenovo, HP, or Dell computer, go to your system manufacturer website and then select your model number, go to drivers and download, and then find BIOS in the list and download the BIOS. Now, once the download is complete, run the exe file, uh, run the BIOS file. Now, before you update the BIOS, make sure the battery on your computer is more than 10% and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to your computer. In my case, it's not connected. Just make sure that charger, the AC adapter, is connected to the computer and the battery on your computer is more than 10%. And now you can go ahead and update your system BIOS. Now, your system will restart when it's updating the BIOS. So when it's updating the BIOS, do not unplug the power cable or it will damage your computer. So just make sure the AC adapter is connected when it's updating the BIOS. Your system will restart. After the restart, after the BIOS update, log into your computer and then check the audio. Now the next step is to reset a computer. So before you perform reset, make sure that you back up your data because reset will result in loss of data and application. So create a backup before reset. So to reset, go to the start menu, click on settings. Now go to Windows Update, then click on advanced option. Now click on recovery. And here you can see reset PC option. Click on reset PC. Now here you can see two options. One is keep my files, which will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal file. And the second option is remove everything. When you select this option, it will remove all your personal files, application and settings. So select the option which you want and then click on local reinstall and then click on next. Let the reset complete. Now after the reset, set up your computer and then check the audio. Now still you're facing crackling issue. In that case, there might be a possibility that there is some hardware issue with your speaker. So in that case, you can run a hardware test for audio as per your model number, as per your brand. Find a way to run a hardware test. And if a speaker is found faulty, then contact your system manufacturer and then get your speaker replaced. So one of the steps should help you to fix the audio crackling issue on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.